Children, in this lesson, we will learn how to use multiplication. There was a beautiful dense forest outside Champapur. All the animals lived there in perfect harmony. One day, some wolves came there to live. They started torturing all the animals, especially the tiny ants. The ants were irritated by the terror of the wolf, and one day they warned the wolves to stay away. The wolf started laughing at them. The next day, when the wolf came to trouble the ants, he could not see even a single ant there. The wolf waited for long and fell asleep under a tree. Actually, this was a well thought out plan by the ants. They formed 3 groups and each group had 32 ants. All the ants were hiding behind the tree. Can you tell how many ants were there in all? How do we write it in the form of multiplication? 3 times 32 is, but we do not know the multiplication table of 32. What we will get if we split 32? 30 and 2. We will write in this way. What is the number we have to multiply 32 with? 3. We will write 3 here like this. Now we will multiply the first 2 by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. We will write this answer here. Now we will multiply 30 by 3. 3 times 30 is 90. We write this answer here. Now it's very easy. On adding 6 and 90, we get 96. This way, we got our answer. 3 times 32 is 96. Okay? There were total of 96 ants. When the wolf fell asleep, the ants attacked him the whole night. Every group bit him severely. The wolf ran away from there in pain. But he told the ants that he would bring 3 more of his friends the next day. The ants got scared, but they decided to fight till the end with the wolves. Now they are thinking, if 96 ants were needed for 1 wolf, how many ants would they need to attack 4 wolves? Can you help the ants by solving this multiplication question? Let's do it together. How do we split 96? 90 and 6. What shall we do now? We will first multiply 6 of 96 by 4. 4 times 6 is 24. We will write this answer here. Now we will multiply 90 by 4. 4 times 90. How do we find it? Just by placing a 0 next to the answer of 4 times 9, which is 36, we will get the answer 360. We will write this answer here. Now it is very easy. If we add 24 to 360, what do we get? 384. Doing this, we got the answer to our question 4 times 96, which is 384. A total of 384 ants will be required. The next day, the wolf came there with 3 of his friends. This time, the wolves looked behind the tree, but they could not see the ants there. Waiting for the ants, the wolves fell asleep under the tree. This time, the 384 ants were hiding on top of the tree. As soon as the wolves fell asleep, they attacked them fiercely and severely wounded the wolves by biting them. The wolves fled from there with their tail between their legs and never returned back. Children, in this lesson, we learnt a method of multiplication. We will see some interesting examples of this in the next lesson.